All right. So you might be going like, what the hell's going on here? Well, we got an event going on here, and we're actually doing our leadership summit and coaching certification, which I'm super excited about. And you guys are all going to be beneficiaries of it. But that's not what we're here to talk about today. Okay?
Hey guys, sorry for the interruption. I'm going to get you right back to the video, but most of you know me as a real estate broker, or maybe somebody who's built and scaled one of the fastest growing sales organizations in the country. What you may not know is that I also work with other sales professionals and leaders that are looking to grow and scale their businesses and just live badass lives. The one place that I have everybody start, the very first spot, is the lethal scripts for the sales warrior. I'm going to give you one for free today, just so that you can get a little taste of what it is that we're doing out there. So click on the link below. We'll send you the information, and let's get back to the video.
So in this session today, I want to talk to you exactly what to watch, what to read, what to listen to, what to attend to become an absolute top producer in real estate. But by the way, it's not just real estate, it's in any sales. But this is a 13% club. So welcome to 13% club. Hopefully everybody knows who the hell I am. It's Todd, if you didn't. But let's go through it. Okay, so first things first, I'm going to give you some books to read. I'm going to give you a framework. Here's the thing, right? The framework is there's something. I don't want you to get into this space where you're just constantly learning and constantly learning and constantly learning, and then your brain explodes. Okay, that's a bad look. What I want you to do is I want you to have a framework that allows you to be all in for 90 days. Okay, just one quarter, and you're going to go all in on something, someone, some type, some knowledge, some skill, so that you can actually have massive skill building, massive outcomes. And this is the framework, right? Number one is you read. Now, I want you to find one person that you're going to study this quarter, just one. And listen, it can be, I'm going to give you a bunch, right? Like here's my reading list. Number one, Lethal Book of Scripts. You ever heard of it? Okay. You better have heard of it. You guys know what we're talking about? Yeah. There you go. There it is. It's a book. There you go. Lethal Book of Scripts. There's another book I love. It's called Influence, right? There's another book I love, The Four Agreements. Here's another one, The Compound Effect. Here's another one, Profit First, The One Word, The Power of Ambition, Rocket Fuel, Who Moved My Cheese, and The Power of Moments. Go look these books up. But here's the thing. When you find one, you go all in. So if you decide that this is, listen, I'm going to follow Andy Elliott. I'm going to read his book, The Sales Warrior Playbook, and then I'm going to go all in. Well, it's read the book, go to YouTube, watch all of their videos, study, and go to an event. So what does that look like? Well, you're going to pick one right now. Pick one for the quarter. Who's it going to be? And then I want you to go on social media. I want you, so YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, all of them. And I want you to start following that person. And I want you to go all in, and I want you to read 20 pages every single day. Listen, if you read 20 pages every single day, what would happen? Well, you would read 1,800 pages of their books in 90 days. Yo, that's massive. Like that's more than most people read in 10 years, much less in a quarter. Okay. So 20 pages every single day. You've done the following, and I want you to go to their YouTube or their podcast, and probably both. And I want you to subscribe to both of them. And I want you to listen every single day. And I want you to watch every single day. And then one time during that quarter, I want you to attend one of their events. That's it. That's the framework. Pick the person, read the books, 20 pages every single day, subscribe to their social media, subscribe to their podcasts and YouTube, and attend an event. And then I'm going to give you one last one. And it's one that I don't think people do, and I don't know why they don't do it. But I want you to write a letter, a note, a handwritten note to the person that you chose that quarter. And I want you to tell them what it meant to follow them, the impact. Remember, we talk about gratitude. Nobody cares about your gratitude journal, right? Be the one that changes it. Go tell them something. I'm going to tell you something right now. I had a conversation with Ed Milet. We were talking about this the other day. I had a conversation with Ed Milet. This was 2 or 3, 4 months ago, where I told them, I go, man, listen, I don't know if you know this or not, but like some of the things that you said, and I told them specifically the podcast, I said, they really had a massive impact. And I just wanted to tell you, thank you very much. And he said, man, thank you so much. Like, I wish I could tell you, I get that all the time. He goes, interestingly enough, people really don't. Be the change. Okay. Be the change. There are people that are out there that are writing these books. They're giving you their soul. They're giving you their wisdom. They're putting in the content. It's not easy. It's hard work. Tell them how you changed my life. All right. All right. That's the 13% club. What do you think, guys? Yeah. All right. Hey, get your asses out there and sell something. Talk to you later.